Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to test the fingerprint scanner on Samsung Galaxy A52. So let us first turn it on. As you can see, there's a little fingerprint icon at the bottom. You simply have to put your finger right there and hold it down for a while. As you can see, the phone has been unblocked. I'll show it one more time. Again, fingerprint icon, and you just have to put your finger and and hold it for a short while. And the phone is unblocked. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye.